Open the door. Door. Open the door. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good idea.
Are spacious and high performance and easy driving, especially when you corner, the cornering is the best. And then we emphasize the easy driving and the spacious and the safety.
So my one question is about the Indian mid-size car market. Now, isn't it already getting too crowded? How do you propose to go ahead in this market?
We believe Indian auto industry will grow gradually. Therefore, premium car segment expanded gradually and slowly. But anyhow, the market segment grow. But right now, most of Indian customer likes is basic transportation and added some option and affordable car to them. Therefore, the big percentage, above 60%, is all of the Indian customer likes small car.
But is the Indian market promising enough for Hyundai? Does Hyundai think it's promising?
We believe, and then we need your support.
No, you please complete the sentence. You say.
Sure. We believe Indian auto industry has a huge potentiality and grow. With our experience, once motorization geared, that's beyond the imagination.
What is Hyundai's target in as the market share?
Our market share is above 15%, 20%, and gradually increase.
Do you think it's the best car available in India today?
Sure, yeah, our car should be.
Please complete the sentence.
Our car should be the #1 car in India is a small segment car.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, my first question is, how bullish are you about the Indian car market?
I hope we are not very much bullish. I think we are reasonable, and we want to be a conservative. I'm sure that India has got the potential. It has got a very solid middle class. I'm sure India will continue to grow in the near future. I don't think we are bullish. I think we are just conservative and trying to be one of the car manufacturer here.
Second and last question is, the Indian car market suddenly seems to be getting a lot of competition. You are coming in, Daewoo is coming with a small car. Now, does that worry Hyundai? You're going to introduce Santro later this year. Now, how are you going to compete with the other brands?
I think most important thing is it's not the competition. We are very much concerned. I think product itself is most important. We are quite confident from the beginning we're going to localize 80% of our components, and which will give our cost advantage than any other car manufacturer. And also, I think this car is designed especially for the Indian market. I think it's quite unique. I think no other car companies so far in India make car just for Indian market. I think it will give quite competitiveness to us, to Hyundai in India.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.